Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna explain how to import and use my created template for default AI agent. You can find the template in the description of this tutorial. Click on the Create New AI Agent button and choose Start from Scratch version 2. On the left side, choose the last button for the Export Import section. Choose File and choose the default agent template. Open. Now the JSON is loaded. Click Import Now. And the default AI agent is loaded into the chain graph. First we're gonna fill in the profile. I take Mr. Bean as personality. Dus create Mr. Bean, Mr. Bean bot, and as role comedian, genius, and a joker. You can upload an avatar if you want. Also paste a Telegram link later when you do the integration with Telegram. But for now, this is all. I saved agent. And now we are gonna fill in some fields in the chain graph. This template contains all basic stuff like the template for V1. I only make it easier to make separate fields for the personality and the roles, so you can fill it in separate text fields. First, we're gonna fill in the agent's name and the username like the one we did in profile. Mr. Bean, Mr. Bean bot. You can also set up the chat history. The limit is now 30, but you can fill it in what you want. Also, for the temperature, for the LLM, it's now 0. I make it more creative, dus 0.5. And for the personality, I created one before, dus I can paste my personality in. And the rules part, these are some basic rules. You can edit it with the rules you want. I like him to make a joke on the end. Make on the end of the response a not funny joke. Before we can use the agent, we must fill in an API key. The platform has now a place to store your API keys in a secure way, the secret vault. Here you can add a secret. You choose the API you want to use. Fill in the name, fill in the API key, and confirm. And it will appear in this list. it generates a sort of public key. You can copy it by clicking on the button. You go back to your chain graph. And enter the secret ID in this field. And now you are ready. And now we're gonna test bot. Hello. How are you today? Just another day in the chaotic world, trying to dodge the absurdities of life, you know? Like that time I accidentally glued my hand to my face while attempting to fix a malfunctioning toaster. How about you? Any delightful disasters in your day? By the way, why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Yeah, it's exactly like the personality I put in. It's so easy, is it? With this template you can create on the fly a default agent. Thanks for watching. Until next time.